name is Yadav. She is my wife, Tanvi Yadav. So, just a few words about Shirke's Kitchen. Since 4 years now, we have associated with Shirke's Kitchen, and we had a project in Kolhapur done with them. Now in Pune, we have purchased a flat, and we are happy to give the project to Shirke's Kitchen. Their designers are so specific. They actually understand your way of thinking, the way you want the house, the pattern you want, the color you choose. So they get in line with your thinking, and I think their staff, not only the designers but the person who had visited our site for the first time for the measurements. So the accuracy they are having, the technical knowledge they have, it is just fabulous. So right now we have almost completed the designing of our Pune's flat, and we are in the phase to manufacture the furniture now. It took a long time to design, but the specific thing is the designers here, the coordinators, they didn't rush into the procedure. They took time. We also took time to just imagine how the furniture will look like, and they gave us the time we actually wanted. So now it is almost the time that we will be giving the final go ahead to manufacture the furniture. But overall, a good experience, and since I told you that this is our second project with Shirke, so I'm happy to hand it over to the team, such a technical team, such a technically strong team. So I'm happy to give it again. Anything that you would like to add? Because she has also experienced the same. First house, everything, every single point is beautifully designed, every space utilized. The same thing we are trying to do in our Pune's house. Thank you.